this is Dr. Kevin Blumenthal at Natural Transplants, and we're here at the Bethesda, Maryland office. And we're here with Ron. We're at 2 days post-op from his second procedure. He had his first procedure about 2 years ago down in Florida with Dr. Huebner. He came back about 2 weeks ago for a second procedure to fill in some density in the frontal third as well as the crown. So we took out the sutures today. I'm going to have you, well, first of all, Ron, how you feeling? How was the last 2 weeks?
Good, it's good.
Yeah.
It's been really easy healing up, so it's good.
So ready to get those stitches out that are bothering you the last couple of days?
Yeah, I was really looking forward to that.
And how was the pain post-operatively?
Pretty minimal. It was pretty, nothing really bad. A little discomfort, but not bad.
Okay, awesome. I'm going to have you zoom in here and just sort of see the, you can kind of see the beginnings where we did, sort of the frontal third, filling in the frontal third density, and then the crown as well too. And then we'll show you the scar. We took the stitches out. Put your head down for me if you don't mind. So you can see the pencil thin. It's a little inflamed just because we took the stitches out. You can see it's going to be a pencil thin scar all the way around. Looks really nice. We actually incorporated the old scar when we took this scar out. So at the end of the day, you're only going to have one scar. You can see it all the way around there. It's going to look really good. Awesome. All right. I appreciate it, man.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.